This candle making kit gives beginners and hobbyists a genuinely complete setup, from generous bags of natural soy wax to sturdy tins and glass jars that feel ready for gifting right out of the box. The included melting pot is surprisingly substantial, with enough capacity and heat resistance to handle multiple candles in one session without warping or dripping along the spout. A clear, step-by-step instruction booklet with photos walks you through the whole process, so even someone who has never poured a candle before can get consistent results on the first try. With a wide range of fragrance oils, colored dye blocks, and dried botanicals, the kit makes it easy to experiment with custom scents and designs rather than being stuck with a single look or aroma. Thoughtful extras like wick holders, a thermometer, labels, and a metal stirring spoon help eliminate common beginner mistakes such as off-center wicks or overheated wax. Packaged in an attractive box and designed for shared projects, this kit works especially well as a creative gift for adults who enjoy hands-on crafts or relaxing home fragrance projects.